What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset on a LG Wing. So if you have a password or a pattern that you forgot or just don't remember what it is and you got to do a hard reset on the phone, this is how you do it. So this phone has a pin on it, as you can see. Just a heads up, when you do this, you will delete all your data. So if you have something important, you're going to end up losing it, just a heads up. So when we try to turn off the phone, you have the power button over here and you have the volume buttons right there. When you try turning off the phone, it's going to tell you that you can't power it off because you don't have the pin. So the way we have to do this is we have to hold both volume up and down and power at the same time. And when we're doing this, just keep holding, keep holding. When the phone turns off, you want to let go of volume up and keep holding volume down and power. When the LG logo appears, you want to let go of power and touch it again. And then it brings up the reset menu. So from here, we use the volume buttons to scroll. We'll scroll to yes, this will delete everything. And we'll scroll again to confirm, yes, delete everything. And it might not do anything right away, but within a couple of seconds, it should start resetting itself. And now it is resetting. And once it's done, it'll be back on the main screen and you can go through the settings. But just a heads up, if you do a Verizon version of this phone's T-Mobile, but if you do a Verizon version, in most cases you don't have to let go of power, you just have to keep holding the power button, how you did in that first step. So if you guys have any questions or comments or need to see a different phone or need help with something else, just give me a heads up and in the comments, and I will try to do that for you guys. Thanks.